That was so nice! Good morning, everybody. Today is more of a regular vlog, and we are starting in Tikal, Guatemala. We just found an autobus that is going to take us to Flores, and we are going to take a tuk-tuk from there and get to where we're staying, which was actually the last holdout when the Spanish invaded.
Gracias.
¿La Flores? A la Flores, ¿cuánto cuesta? 10?
Yes.
Por persona. Ah, bien. Alright, we're gonna try to get our bags in this tuk-tuk. Está bien. Alex, you think you can just hold yours on your lap? Cool. Alright. We just got our tuk-tuk, and we got a little drive to Flores. Transportation is much easier than I thought in Central America, honestly. And the people here are so kind. We don't really know what we're doing today, so we're about to find out. This is the place to be, y'all. Everyone is so nice here. Found a whole concert stage going on. Maybe there's gonna be some music here later. They don't really take card or tarjetas here, only solamente dinero. We need to find money, otherwise we won't have a place to stay tonight. So here's the traditional clothing they have here in Guatemala. Might have to get myself a little shirt. 120? Sí. 120. We got ourselves a traditional shirt of Guatemala. Now we're gonna go try and find our friends, see what they think of my camisa. No sé. No sé, una tradición. Hola. ¿Qué es esto?
Es una procesión más o menos generar el día de la feria.
Es de Guatemala?
Yeah.
Gracias, amigo. Ceremony that they do in only Guatemala. We just happened to be here on the day. Está bonita. We stumbled into Flores on a big day. Got street food going. I have no idea what's going on outside right now. What the heck? Oh. What is going on right now? Muchas personas. Holy crap. It's the right day to come to Flores. I'm literally just sitting in my room and I hear what are they doing? Dude, did you see how many people? How are we going out tonight? Did you see how many people there are? No. Bro, streets are filled. Go. Check it. Look on the camera. Oh my god. Oh man. Guatemala is something else. So since we last went out, the streets of Peten have filled up for Flores, Guatemala. So I'm sure a lot of people from the mainland come out to the island to celebrate. Está un fiesta. No sé. This is absolutely wild, y'all. The whole community is out. This place is one of the most vibrant and colorful places we've been to so far. So much life in the streets, and there's not many tourists here, so you feel fully submerged in their culture. Right now we are in the line to get some tacos at, hey, do you remember the day of this? What is it called?
No.
La Féria de Peten. Es una fiesta. Paid about $2 for this meal right here. Is it good? That looks like it's good. And we're back for seconds. ese? Gracias, amigo. Gracias. Alright, y'all, we just bought a cerveza. I got hustled as a gringo for my first one, but the second one we did not, so cheers. Oh man, está una fiesta más grande. It's a big party. I don't know, at the start of this vlog I said I don't know what we're doing today. We heard a parade, found out the biggest party in Guatemala is today, and now we're here. What you do to her knee? Una mercado pequeño. Necesitas. ¿Tienes cervezas?
Sí, hay gallo,
Sí.
corona.
¿Cuánto cuesta para cuatro? O tres.
30 quetzales.
30 quetzales. Ah.
Sí.
Bien.
¿Dónde han aprendido el español?
No hablas mucho español.
Where you learn Spanish?
Duolingo.
Ah, no Duolingo.
Duolingo.
Mi maestra, sí.
Ah, ¿en la escuela?
Sí.
School.
Sí.
Ah, ok. De Guatemala.
¿Seguro?
¿Qué manda?
¿Atilan? ¿Seguro?
No, no mucho.
Ah.
No mucho.
Ok.
Sí,
No
es
mucho
seguro,
seguro.
pero no mucho, no mucho.
¿Qué es?
Sí.
No como
¿Qué es seguro?
No como Flores.
No, it's
Flores
not- it's
no
not-
hay
it's
como
not
Flores.
safe.
Puedes caminar, no hay problema.
Sì, però in
otro-
Nederland non è
Peligroso.
Peligroso.
Sí, más por el turismo.
Ah,
Más por el turismo. Ah, sí. Cámara, teléfono.
no tengo un video en Panajachel para mi cámara.
Es peligroso.
Sí.
Check it. Ah, it's good camera. Yeah. Okay. Come on.
Still.
Yeah.
Oh man.
¿Cómo se dice?
Keep it around your
Still.
wrist really
Still,
tight.
sì, still is take, sì.
Ah, sí.
Dog.
still.
They're gonna rob it.
Gallo es Guatemala beer.
Ah, típico de
Corona
Guatemala.
es México.
Y modelo.
Modelo
Sí.
es mexicano. Bueno, la gallo es lo mejor de Guatemala.
Sí. Got a traditional beer here. All right, my friend.
Okay, nice
Gracias.
to meet you. My name
Mucho gusto.
Julio.
Mucho gusto. Julio. Alex.
Julio.
Alex.
Alex.
Alex y Alex.
Ah, como similar.
Adiós.
Adiós.
Adios.
Que les vaya bien.
Oh man. All right,
Nice
we
guy.
have
Cool ass dude.
dipped from the party and we're gonna go back to our hotel and chill out on the back porch. Today was a really wild day on the road. We started off in Tikal. Now we're in Peten, Guatemala. We attended one of the biggest parties in Guatemala. And now we're gonna go to bed. It's nice and quiet out. They are still going. They're lighting fireworks off left and right.
Well, there's another fucking day.
It's 6 in the morning. They're still partying. We woke up at 5 to fireworks. Loud fireworks. And it seems to just never stop here. I mean, this is a 10-day long fiesta. I'm gonna go, it's 6 in the morning. We're gonna go check out what it's like out there. Homie is bronca. Oh my god. Something crazy here, man. There is music going everywhere. Lots of people are still drunk from last night. And this is right outside my hotel. Something crazy. This is something crazy right now. So, the party has begun again. Like, these are the things that just come by when you're just simply trying to walk through Guat. Oh my goodness. There's like 8 million people here. Holy crap. Oh, there's no way we're getting through this. Holy balls, y'all. We are leaving to take a sleeper bus out to Antigua, which is where we're gonna set up base to climb Acatenango. I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. My Guatemalan 4th of July.